going to show you how to install the Raj Circle Kit Sandstone paving along with the Tudor clay pavers. Place your mortar onto a prepared subbase using a 6:1 mix, 6 parts sharp sand to 1 part cement. Allow for a 30 to 50mm depth. Apply the slurry onto the back of the circle centre disc. Place onto the mortar and tap until it is level. Now repeat this with the other segments. For installing the Tudor clay pavers, we recommend you use a screed mix and applying a slurry to the underside of the blocks prior to placing into position. Tamp them in till they are secure. You can use the same installation process if you're using the natural stone cobbles to go along with your natural stone circle kit. Ensure when placing those segments that you're working within a 10 to 15mm joint tolerance. For the perfect finish, use the Ultimate Universal Paving Joint Compound.